Yo, the question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
Hoes, I don't deal with them.
My girlfriend probably watching this.
In this dome, he ain't talking no more cause that nigga day he gone. Say his bitch got sad. This
Get no pussy, you never touched it.
bitch with this stick, right there with this fucking pole.
She ain't watching. She ain't
And
watching.
one of them was this week.
What?
5. We out.
Put that head on my dick, make that
Yeah, but I get that head though. Yeah, nigga probably did it though. Yeah.
now on me with niggas fucking, bitch like fuck it, leave me alone. I be in my fucking zone, I be in my fucking mode.
Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod back with another fucking video, right? Y'all know what I'm saying? We had a little school break, so I couldn't bring out the bangers and shit. So we about to go finish up these videos, right? Today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count? So, not bodies like you shooting niggas and shit, you know what I'm saying? Word, but bodies like you trying to, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? So, we gonna go ask people what they can buy with their body count. Niggas gonna be saying PCs and shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause the school is kind of crazy. But with your boy AnklesGod, and let's get into this shit, nigga. It's your boy AnklesGod today. You know what I'm saying? Today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
I say I could buy about 2 bags of dollar chips from the dollar store and 2 slices of Frankie's pizza.
So how much is that?
That's about 6.
Is this nigga serious?
6?
Yeah.
Damn, nigga. It's your boy AnklesGod in this bitch. And who are we with?
The baddie.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
I can buy nothing. 0 hoe. Yeah, but I get that head though. Yeah, nigga probably did it though. Yeah.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
He ate it from the back too.
Is this nigga serious?
Oh hell nah. It's your boy AnklesGod and we here with.
Jaden Crumpler.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what? Yo, I'm a smacker, nigga. Yo. Are you dead ass? Yo, the question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
Shit, let me think. Most people, if they tell me like, they think since I'm light skinned, like I got all these bodies or something. But let me think. Probably like some mini Starburst. You know, they like $4.97.
Whoa!
They like $4.97. So
Like 3 cents? There's 3 cents into like 5. So what is it? 4 is like 5? Which one is it?
my girlfriend probably watching this. Wait,
She ain't watching. She ain't
and
watching.
one of them was this week.
What?
5. We out.
Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod in this bitch and we here with.
Lanier.
Liliana.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
I could probably get a 4 for $4 plus a Frosty.
4 for 4 and a Frosty, nigga. What can you get?
A Dollar Tree toy.
Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod and we here with.
Your boy Kenny, man.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. What can you say? Damn. Today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
If I'm trying to be as like accurate, pinpoint on the spot, like 2 5 for $5 biggie bags from Wendy's and a Slim Jim from 7-Eleven.
How much is Slim Jim?
One of the small ones that's like 2 beans.
2 beans? Nigga, that's 12.
You serious?
Yo, hell no. This nigga fucking. Your boy AnklesGod in this bitch and here with.
It's Nyla.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
Arizona.
You said Arizona?
Yeah.
What you say? Like, you know they upped the price, right?
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't.
They upped the price.
It's
Mama.
still a dollar.
It's
still a dollar.
$1 and some change.
No, it's not.
Say it's your boy AnklesGod back with another fucking video. And today's question is, first, let me get your name. Hold on.
My name's Savion.
Alright, what can you buy with your body count?
What can I buy with my body count?
A mansion?
Probably like 2 bags of chips.
2 bags of chips. We talking family size?
How much is family size?
That's like that's like $3.
Like $3.50. Nah, maybe like the 50-cent bags.
How many of them?
Like 2 of them.
2 of them? Okay.
No, 4 of them.
4?
Yes, because that would make 2.
Okay.
$2.
Okay. It's your boy AnklesGod. Y'all don't know what the fuck it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm here with
Quado.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
Nothing, cause I'm broke and I'm a virgin.
You a virgin?
I don't get no pussy. Never touched it. Only X and XX porn.
Doing
What the fuck? You use lotion?
No Vaseline.
What the fuck? Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod. I'm here with.
Casey.
Alright. Then you just drop a new song or something?
Yup.
What's the song called? What's the song called?
No permission.
Hop on the beat and you know I'm gon' kill it. Truly can't, I don't need no permission. Wanna be me, you make that shit your mission. Come on, bitch, this is not your position. Bitch in Milwaukee, you the new addition. I'm not scared, bitch, you not competition. Wanna be me, got you bitches addicted. Might as well just say you wanna hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which bitch gon' knock on my door? 5, 6, 7, 8. Find your ass disappear from the state. 9, 10, 11, 12. Got her bitches send that bitch to hell. Bitches can't baby if you couldn't tell. Sorry ass bitch, you was not doing well.
Alright. Today question of the day is, you know what I said? We got a drill rapper, feel me? What can you buy with your body count?
2 bags of 50-cent chips.
You sure it's the 50 cent? You're not.
One body.
It's not a family size?
No. I could buy anything in Dollar Tree.
You can buy what?
Anything in Dollar Tree.
So you talking about like everything in the store?
No. One thing.
Okay. It's your boy AnklesGod. You already know who it is. And we here with
Penny.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
I'd say a very expensive little piece of chocolate.
An expensive piece of chocolate? What are we talking? We talking
Like,
talking Dub, we talking like Ghirardelli.
I'm talking about that, you know that one that has a little nuts on it?
You what?
With, chocolate on it, man.
You talking about the turtles?
No. I'm pretty sure they don't know what I'm talking about. But
How much is it?
it's like $3 or $4.
Alright. Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod, and we here with
Ariana.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what could you buy with your body count?
Hot fries are like $2, right?
No. Maybe like $4 on a good day.
Oh, no. Okay. A water. A water, yeah.
How much is the water?
Like $1 or $2.
Is it $1 or is it $2?
2, I guess. $1 or $2.
Is this nigga serious?
What the fuck? Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod, you know what I'm saying? And we here with
Mia.
Alright, today's question is, what can you buy with your body count?
Wait, am I counting girls too?
Whatever you want, man. How about we break it into two? What can you buy with your girl's body count, and what can you buy with your dude's body count?
Okay, my boy's body count, I could buy, what can you buy with $3?
A McChicken?
A small caramel frap. Yeah. And
Okay.
for my girls, what can you buy with 2? A McChicken, there you go.
I heard you. Okay. Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod, you know what I'm saying? Today question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
I could buy absolutely nothing.
What you mean?
Cause I'm a virgin. You know what I'm saying? I got 0. I got a donut.
You lying?
My mom on my desk.
You get a free sample?
Free sample. My free sample, nigga. I'll take anything, nigga. I'll take a free coupon, nigga. Freak out of here. Use that shit on Burger King. You know what I'm saying?
Stupid as shit. It's your boy AnklesGod. I don't know who the fuck it is, man. We here with
Treasure. Diana.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
Arizona. 2 bags of chips for $1.
It's your boy AnklesGod, you know what I'm saying? And we here with
Rika.
Alright, today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
Like a Sprite from like a corner store type.
A Sprite. How much is a Sprite?
Like $2.
What we talking? We talking about the liters? What we talking? We talking like personal?
The personal, yeah, personalized.
You sure it's not the liters?
$3, yeah.
$3?
No. We saying like the regular size, like from a corner store.
Oh, okay.
Something like that, yeah.
$2.50? What the 50?
I don't know where the 50 comes from.
Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod. Y'all don't know who the fuck it is. And today's question of the day is, what can you buy with your body count?
You didn't ask me what my name was.
Oh, my bad. What's your name, nigga?
Derek.
What can you buy with your body count, my nigga?
Water.
What is water?
Free.
Water not free. You talking about bottled water? You talking about water out the sink, nigga?
Sink.
This nigga talking about faucet water. You what? All right, it's your boy AnklesGod. You know what I'm saying? Who we with today?
No, Romeo. You already know.
Okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay, today's question is, what can you buy with your body count?
You already know. Chicken noodle soup with applesauce. Duh.
The fuck, nigga?
Grape juice, cranberry, on that.
What, nigga? That's a lot of shit, bro. How much is that?
Peanut butter and strawberry jam.
Are you serious right now, bro?